Everybody knows of rice paper as the Vietnamese kitchen staple, and its common use is to make wrapper for spring rolls. Today let's cut it up and put it to another use, that is to make salad in one of the most popular street food snacks in Ho Chi Minh City called Bánh Tráng Trộn. Like most salads, Bánh Tráng Trộn is customizable. There's a loose template to follow. I will show you a few versions of Bánh Tráng Trộn in this video, so you will have an idea how versatile this dish could be. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Let's start with the more original version of Bánh Tráng Trộn with beef jerky and quail eggs. You will need some green onion, 10 pieces of rice paper, 1 green mango, 5 calamansi or kumquat, some Vietnamese mint, garlic, quail eggs, toasted dried tiny shrimps, shredded beef jerky, some roasted peanut, shrimp salt, sugar and vegetable oil. You also need some fried shallots, soy sauce, vinegar and satay. Use kitchen shears to cut the rice paper into strips. Peel and julienne or shred the green mango. Heat 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan. Fry 2 tablespoons of minced garlic until golden brown, and then transfer the garlic chips into a bowl. Add the chopped scallion, stir for a few seconds and transfer to a bowl. To make the dressing for the salad, you will need a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon each of vinegar and sugar, half a tablespoon of satay, which is the Vietnamese fragrant and spicy chili paste. Stir to dissolve. Now in a large mixing bowl, combine 100 grams of the shredded rice paper, half a cup of shredded green mango, a tablespoon of fried shallots, a tablespoon of toasted dried shrimps, 3 hard-boiled quail eggs, some shrimp salt, shredded beef jerky. Drizzle the dressing to your taste and squeeze in about 3 to 4 kumquat, a tablespoon of the scallion oil. Put on gloves and mix well. Add some annatto oil for more color and don't forget the Vietnamese mint. You can freely adjust the ingredient to your personal taste. Just make sure that it has a balance of flavors: sweet, sour, savory and spicy. Next version is Bánh Tráng Trộn mỡ hành, a simplified version of the original, and it requires a lot less ingredients, but you know sometimes simplicity could be the ultimate sophistication. You will need rice paper, garlic, scallion, fried shallots, some shrimp salt, which is optional, some kind of chili paste or satay, salt and peanuts. Cut the rice paper into 1-inch strips. In a pan, fry the minced garlic until golden brown and transfer the garlic chips into a bowl. Add the chopped scallion, quickly stir for a few seconds and transfer to a bowl. In a large mixing bowl, combine the shredded rice paper with a sprinkles of shrimp salt, a tablespoon of chili paste or satay, some scallion oil, fried shallots and mix well. When the rice paper is well coated with the seasonings and the oil, add roasted peanuts and then transfer to a plate to serve. The amazing smell of the fried garlic, scallion oil and satay make this simple salad so appetizing. The fried shallots and roasted peanuts add a beautiful crunch, and bits of scallion add some freshness and color to the dish. You're gonna love this. If you have some kind of cheese powder in your pantry, make sure you try this Bánh Tráng Trộn phô mai. It's so simple to make but tastes incredible. You will need some rice paper, some satay or chili paste, chicken or beef jerky or pork floss, cheese powder and salt or shrimp salt. Cut the rice paper into square pieces about 2 inches. Then mix the rice paper with some sweet chili sauce or satay, a sprinkles of shrimp salt. Mix well so the rice paper is well coated with the satay. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of the cheese powder. Top with some shredded jerkies or pork floss of your choice. Such a quick snack that you can put together in just a minute, but you're gonna love the cheesy flavors melting in the soft and chewy rice papers. Just irresistible. If you're a fan of the umami savory flavors of salted egg, then you can't miss the next version. It's called Bánh Tráng Trộn trứng muối or salted egg rice paper salad. You will need a stack of rice paper, some scallion, 3 salted egg yolk, toasted dried tiny shrimps, some satay or sweet chili paste, shrimp salt, Vietnamese mint or rau ram, and kumquat or lime juice. Finely shred the rice paper. Rinse the salted egg yolk with cooking oil to kill the strong smell and then steam for about 10 minutes. Then crush finely with a fork. Combine the rice paper with satay, the salted egg crumbles, some toasted rice shrimps, a sprinkle of shrimp salt, some scallion oil and juice of 2 kumquats. Add some chopped Vietnamese mint and toss well. So simple but super tasty. The last version is Bánh Tráng Trộn with tamarind sauce. Together with the green mango, tamarind becomes the main acidic element, making the salad extra flavorful. You will need about 5 pieces of rice paper, a green mango, scallion oil, Vietnamese mint, quail egg beef jerky, tamarind, fried garlic and shallots, some roasted peanuts with chili sauce or satay, some shrimp salt, hot water and sugar. Soak a tablespoon of tamarind in a cup of hot water. Break it out with a spoon or a spatula and then strain to get the tamarind juice. Saute some minced garlic until fragrant. Add the tamarind juice, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir well and simmer until the sauce is slightly thickened. Combine everything in the salad bowl, the rice paper, scallion oil, roasted peanuts, dry shrimps, fried garlic and shallot, shrimp salt, and a few tablespoons of the tamarind sauce. Add quail eggs and toss well, then add shredded green mango and chopped Vietnamese mint. Give it a final toss and transfer to a plate to serve. Top with some shredded beef jerky, and there you have it. Rice paper salad with tamarind sauce. The sweet and sour flavor of the tamarind really make it into the highlight. I hope you enjoyed the 5 versions of rice paper salad that I made today. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a good thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing Vietnamese recipes. Share this video with your friends to enjoy the dish together. Thank you for watching. I will see you then next time. Bye!